ช่วงนี้ไปติดตามข่าวภาคภาษาอังกฤษกับ NBT World BRIEF ค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ Thank you for joining us for this morning edition of NBT World Brief right here on NBT and NBT World. You're here with me, Shanita Sidagit Craythorne. The Bureau of the Royal Household has announced the passing of Her Majesty Sirikit, the Queen Mother, at the age of 93. The Bureau of the Royal Household announcement indicated that Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the Queen Mother, was admitted to Chulalongkorn Hospital since September 7, 2019. The medical team continued to deliver treatment to Her Majesty in response to many illnesses during the admission period. Her Majesty has been afflicted with the septicemia since the 17th of this month. Despite the medical team's best efforts, the Queen Mother's condition continually deteriorated. The Bureau of the Royal Household announcement stated that Her Majesty passed away at 9:21 p.m. on Friday, October 24th. His Majesty the King has ordered the Bureau of the Royal Household to proceed with the royal funeral rites in accordance with the royal traditions. His Majesty has mandated a one-year mourning period by members of the royal family. The Prime Minister has announced a clean energy promotion program in support of solar farms and solar-powered water pumps in line with the government's Quick Big Win undertaking. Prime Minister and Minister of Interior Anutin Chanvirakul has announced the government's Community Power Project, an energy initiative aimed at reducing household electricity costs, promoting clean energy nationwide. The project proposed by the Ministry of Energy is set to generate electricity through the local solar farms, managed jointly by local administrative organizations, the Provincial Electricity Authority, the Metropolitan Electricity Authority, and the Electricity Generating Authority of Thailand. Investment will be directed to communities to establish small-scale solar farms that support affordable energy through the Provincial Electricity Authority. The approach is expected to lower power bills, stimulate local economies, and expand community-level access to renewable energy. A solar-powered water pumping program will also be introduced to improve irrigation and village water systems, helping reduce production costs, lower household utility expenses, and support agriculture sustainability. The arrival of the cold season has elevated concerns about airborne dust and forest fires, especially in the northern region. The Environment Minister has travelled to Chiang Mai to deliver his policy on addressing forest fires and haze pollution, taking aim at reducing wildfire areas by 20 to 30% this season. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Natural Resources and Environment Suchat Chomglin chair a policy meeting and public consultation at the Chiang Mai Forest Fire Operations Centre to present Thailand's 2026 strategy for preventing and mitigating wildfires, haze, and PM 2.5 solution. During his visit, Minister Suchat inaugurated the Northern Wildfire and Haze Operations Centre, which serves as a regional hub for real-time data collection, coordination, and early warning. For 2026, the government aims to reduce burned areas by 20 to 30% compared to the previous year, which has already seen a 40% drop in hotspots. Efforts will focus on cooperation with local networks and community groups to improve agricultural waste management and expand real-time fire detection and response systems. In 2025, the number of hotspots in Chiang Mai fell by 25% compared to 5-year average. Excessive PM 2.5 dust readings declined by 20%, while the number of respiratory tract patients also fell by 20%. That wraps up our morning edition of NBT World Brief. Stay updated with the latest developments right here on NBT and NBT World. For more stories, please simply scan the QR code on your screen to access our full coverage across all media platforms. Until next time, I'm Shanita Sidagit Craythorne. สวัสดีค่ะ